Hello students, how are you all? All are fine? Yeah, great. So, can you see on your screen what you are looking for on your screen? On your screen you can see symbols, right? National symbols, national emblem, national flag, national flower, national currency and many more, right? So you must thinking that why we are looking this picture, because this is our topic for the day. As till the time in our social science syllabus we have discussed about solar system, about stars, planets, then our earth, and on earth we have seen continents, oceans and many more things. Then later on we have discussed water and air. So after observing all these broad subjects, now it's time to focus on our country. And to focus on that, the first thing what we are going to see today is all our national symbols, right? So today we are going to start our unit 2nd, chapter 6, our national symbols. So before we get started of discussion, before we start our discussion about symbols, let's see what are the national symbols. Actually, national symbols are the national identity of our country. National identity means when we talk about a particular symbol that represent that particular country, like if there were a flag with tricolor is in the sky, then everybody from the whether it is of any country, he or she will recognize that this is the symbol of India. So that flag represent our country. So in the same way, all these symbols symbolize our country identity. And when we look over these symbols, we feel proud and it fills our emotion with pride and patriotism. So these national symbols are the national identity of our country. They give us a sense of pride and patriotism, isn't it? Whenever Republic Day comes or whenever it's Independence Day, when we sing these songs, when the national flag is hoisted, we feel very proud to be Indian, isn't it? So that's why I'm saying that these national symbols are the identity of our country and they give us lots of proudness and patriotism, right? So let's begin our topic with the first national symbol, that is national flag. Our national flag, tricolor. Isn't it looking beautiful? Yes, it is. It is beautiful. Our national flag was designed as a symbol of freedom. Our national flag is a symbol of our freedom. The Indian national flag is horizontal tricolor in equal proportion of 3 colors. All the 3 colors are there in equal proportion. At the topmost band is of saffron. Then the middle band is of white and the bottom band is of dark green color. So these 3 colors makes the trio, and that's why we called it Tiranga. In the center there is a wheel. It is of a blue color which has 24 peaks. Got it? जो हमारा तिरंगा है, टॉप में saffron, middle white and bottom is green, and the middle band means the white band has a wheel of blue color, and this blue color wheel has 24 peaks. Do you know when our national flag was recognized? It was recognized on 22nd of July 1947, as our India got freedom in 1947, 15th of August. तो हमारा जो नेशनल फ्लैग है इसको ये रिकॉग्नाइज हुआ था 22nd ऑफ जुलाई को, बिफोर द फ्रीडम. देन the ratio of our national flag is 2:3. The ratio of our national flag is 2:3. And do you know all our tricolors means each of them symbolize a kind of message which gave us a certain message that we are going to see here, that which color represent what certain message. Like saffron stands for renunciation, disinterestedness, courage and sacrifice. Mostly the people, we only discuss that saffron is recognized or saffron tells us about courage and sacrifice. In short, हम short में क्या कह सकते हैं कि saffron जो है वो symbolize करता है courage को और sacrifice को. Got it? Then this white band symbolizes truth, peace and purity. जो white band है वो हमें क्या symbolize करता है? Especially it is for peace. But along with peace, white is also a symbolizes truth and purity. Then this Ashok Chakra. Ashok Chakra we also called it a Dharma Chakra, or we can call this Ashok Chakra or the Dharma Chakra as a wheel of law. This represents the rightness, progress and 24 hours of a day. This Ashok Chakra means these 24 peaks of this Ashok Chakra actually represent the 24 hours of a day, and they also tells us about progress. Then the green color at the bottom, this represents or symbolizes prosperity, vibrance and life. So these are the tricolors of our national flag. So once again, let's revise that national flag was recognized in 22nd July 1947. Our national flag is of tricolor, where at the top saffron, at the middle white and at the bottom is green. White color has Ashok Chakra or a wheel which consists 24 spokes of blue color, and the ratio of our national flag is 2:3. Is it clear to all? Now let's move to the next symbol. So our next symbol is our national song. That is Vande Mataram. Vande Mataram is the national song of India, and it was written by Bankim Chandra Chatterjee, or many people call them Bankim Chandra Chattopadhyay. So he wrote our national song, which is called Vande Mataram. It was written in Sanskrit. Our national song was written in Sanskrit. हमारा जो नेशनल सॉन्ग है ये किस में लिखा गया था? संस्कृत में. The national song was the source of inspiration for people in their fight for independence. When the Britishers were in India, so at that time when the freedom fighters go for their demonstration, so what they feel, this Vande Mataram inspired them. जो वंदे मातरम था ये उनके लिए एक इंस्पिरेशन था. ये हमारी यूनिटी का सिंबल है this is the symbol of our unity. So it was a kind of or a symbol of inspiration for the people, those who were fighting at that time. This was firstly sung in 1896. The first time it was sung was at the session of Indian National Congress. जब इंडियन नेशनल कांग्रेस का जो फर्स्ट सेशन का जब सेशन हुआ था ना 1896 में, तो उस 1896 सेशन में उनकी जब समिट हुई थी, at that time it was sung very first, our national song Vande Mataram. And do you know about one more thing about our national anthem? That our national anthem was written by Rabindranath Tagore. Like national song was written by Bankim Chandra Chatterjee, our national song was written by Rabindranath Tagore, Jana Gana Man. And there are certain rules to sing our national anthem. Like whenever we are singing the national anthem, we must stand in attention position, right? Like here are some rules that I am reading for you. Always be in attention position during the national anthem. In many countries there is a system that the people of the country, they put their right hand fist on their heart while they are singing their national song. But in our India, this is not allowed. We must stand attention and then we should sing aloud our national song or national anthem. When national anthem once it started, then it should be completed in any ways with proper respect. अगर आपने national anthem once you have started, then we should not interrupt it, we should not stop it, but it should be completed in any manners, in any ways. हर हाल में हमें उसको complete करना चाहिए with full of respect and full of dignity. So these are the rules for our national anthem. So today you have seen 3 national symbols. First was our national flag, the tricolor, their symbols, their messages. Then we have seen national anthem written by Rabindranath Tagore, the rule to sing the national anthem. Then our national song Vande Mataram written by Bankim Chandra Chatterjee. First it was sung in 1896, not 19, 1896 in Indian National Congress session, right? So these are the 3 symbols. So your task is to read all 3 of them carefully, and then we will discuss some other national symbols tomorrow. So till the time, thank you, have a nice day, stay blessed, stay happy, bye bye.